Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 86 of mathematics. I hope everyone is ready to pay close attention to my important lecture on quadrilateral. This lecture will not only conclude the exercise but also the topic as a whole. So without any further delay, let's begin. Question number 16 has given us this figure which you can see on your screen right now. They are saying in the figure ACJL, ACJL, which is this line, BCEF, which is this line, DEGH, which is this line, and in fact KJGI, which is this line. They are saying that are straight lines. All these are straight lines. So you have to keep this in mind. Then they are saying that find the very important sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F plus angle G and angle H. We have to find the sum of all these angles which are given here. This is CD, this is AB, and this is EF, and this is GH. So we have to find the sum of all these angles. Let us devise a plan for this. This is a quadrilateral. This is what? This is a quadrilateral. If by any means we find this angle and this angle, and these angles, so for that we have to first find this angle, and this is an external angle. So the sum will be equal to these two. Similarly, we have to first find this angle. The sum will be this one. And similarly, we have to first find this angle. And because this is an external angle, and we learned in the previous lectures that exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. And similarly, we have to find this angle, and this will be the sum of this. And then we have to find the sum of the quadrilaterals is equal to 360, and we will add all these angles. So this is the plan for the finding all the sum of the external angle. So let's get started. First of all, we are finding ACD angle, ACE angle, ACE angle, which is this one, and that is the external angle. So we are saying that it will be equal to the sum of angle B and angle A. Now, if we can see that JCA is a straight line, JCA is a straight line, and that will be equal to JCE plus ACE. How? Due to the sum of angles on a straight line. Dear learners, because we want to find this angle, so for that we are considering what this straight line. So this angle and this angle will be equal to 180 degree. So that is why I introduced the 180 degree angle here. So it means that JCE will be equal to, because we found ACE which is here, so we are writing angle A plus angle B plus ACE, JCE I should write rather. So I have to write here JCE, and that will be equal to 180 degree. So here we are saying that JCE is equal to 180 degree minus angle A minus angle B, and let us label it 1 because we found this angle. Now it is the turn of this angle, and in the similar fashion we can say that DEC is equal to sum of angle C plus angle D because of the external angle of triangle. External angle of triangle. Now we can say that GEC which is our main purpose is equal to angle C plus angle D plus DEC plus GEC is equal to angle C plus angle D, and then here we are writing DEC, and we found the value of DEC. I wrote this on place of DEC, and then we can write GEC. So GEC, and that will be equal to 180 degree. So here I am removing these extra thing, and I wrote this angle sum on STR line. And now GEC will be equal to 180 degree minus angle C minus angle D, and let us label it with equation 2. Now next is we have to find this one. So exactly in the same fashion, G J G E J G E will be equal to 180 degree minus E angle minus angle F, and that is equation number 3. Now this angle G J C G J C will be equal to 180 degree minus angle H minus angle G. I did all the last the last the last two one did quickly in this particular, so I don't have to waste my time. Now we found this, and this. So now we are saying that sum of interior angle, sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So the first one is this, the second one is this, third one is this. We have to put the values of all these. Let me make a place for the question. So I am writing here that the sum will be equal to, first one is 180 degree minus A angle minus angle B plus 180 degree minus angle C minus angle D plus 180 degree minus angle E minus angle F plus 180 degree minus angle G minus angle H will be equal to 360 degree. So I can write here minus angle A minus angle B minus angle C minus angle D minus angle E minus angle F minus angle G minus angle H is equal to minus 360 degree. So when we are taking negative common from this side, so that negative will be cancelled with this one. So that will be the final answer. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F plus angle G plus angle H is equal to 360 degree. And that is what we were finding. So that is the answer of this question. Now let us turn our focus to question number 17, and the figure is given on the right side in the form of a star. Now the question is saying in figure A F J D A G H C B G F E B H I D and C I J E R straight lines. Find the sum of the angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E. This is the question. If you are giving this shape a closer look, then this is a pentagon. And you know that the sum of the interior angle, sum of the interior angles of pentagon is equal to 540. We did in many questions this. So directly I wrote it. Let the exterior angle of the pentagon is equal to x degree. So we are writing, because there are 5 sides, so 180 degree minus x degree is equal to 540 degree. So if we simplify this, which is very easy, so that will be equal to 72. Now this is your job to bring this 72 from the above expression. That will not be a problem for you people. Now angle A plus 72 degree plus 72 degree is equal to 180 degree angle sum of a triangle. So this implies that angle A is equal to 36 degree. When we shift this to the other side and subtract it, so we will. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E will be equal to what? 5 multiplied by 36, and that is equal to what? That is equal to 5 into 36, 180 degree. So we found this as well, and that was the final answer. Now question number 18 is saying that the figure is given to you on the right side of this screen. The figure shows part of an n-sided polygon where each side is produced a1, a2, a3, a4, and so on, and an till an it is produced, are the interior angles of the polygon, and x1, x2, x3, x4 up to xn are its exterior angle. Show that the sum of exterior angle of the polygon is 360 degree. That is x1 plus x2 plus x3. Let me write it. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus xn is equal to 360 degree. That is what we have to show. Let's get started. I am writing a1 plus x1 is equal to 180 degree. y adjacent angles on a straight line. Due to this, I am writing, because these two angles are lying on the straight line, so we are saying this one. Similarly, a2 plus x2 is also the same case, and a3 plus x3 is no exception, and a4 plus x4 is also the same case, and the last one, not the least, an plus xn is equal to 180 degree. So that is also. Now we have to write that a1 plus x1 plus a2 plus x2 plus a3 plus x3 plus a4 plus x4 and so on up to an plus xn. Now we are writing a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus an on one side, and then writing the x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus so on up to xn separately, and that will be equal to, I am writing here as well, n multiplied by 180 degree, because we don't know the sides, that how many sides are there, so we labeled it as n. Now here, if we are concentrating only on this, then we can write n minus 2 into 180 degree, and plus this one, we are writing x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 and up to plus xn, and that will be equal to, here I have to write as well, n into 180 degree, n into 180 degree. So now we can write, we want to shift this to the other side, so x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus up to xn will be equal to n into 180, and we have to write minus n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So we are going to write x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus up to xn, and then we are calculating it 180 degree n from this one, and minus 180 degree n from this and this negative symbol, and then we are writing plus 360 degree, because this minus will become positive, and when then this 2 is multiplied with this 180, so we will get 360. Now this can be cancelled, and at the end we can write x plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus up to xn is equal to 360 degree, and that is what they wanted from us. So the last question is this one, and they given us the beehive. The figure shows the internal structure of a beehive made up of regular hexagonal cells that can be formed tessellation with no overlap or gap. There is no gap between these shapes, which is a hexagon. You can see that this is a hexagon, and there is no gap between these shapes, and there is no overlapping between the two shapes. Now the first part of question number 19, after studying the figure, same, name another two regular polygon that can form tessellation and sketch their tessellation. So the first one is this. This will also, when you are making these shape, this will also not overlap with each other, and as a result we can form these shapes like this. So they are also not overlapping with each other, and then we can form one. The second one is this shape. If there are square, so it will also make a tessellation, but there will be no overlap or gap. But if you are doing circle, then circle will make a gap, and might be they overlap each other. So this is not the first answer of this question is equilateral triangles and square. So this is triangles but equilaterals, and these are the square. These are the two shapes which can make the tessellation, and we sketch the diagram as well. Now the second part of this question, why are these regular polygons able to form tessellation? What do you notice about their interior angles? So the interior angle, I am writing the interior angles of the polygons meeting at a vertex, at a vertex must add to (360°), because we learn that angle at a point is equal to 360 degree. So when you are making 360 degree, there will be no gap and no overlapping of the angle. So that is why we will get tessellation in that particular case. So the third part of this question is saying, show that there are no other regular polygons that can form tessellations. So if I am writing triangle, so interior angles in degree will be equal to 60 on one side. If it is square, then it will be equal to 90 degree. If it is pentagon, then the sum will be equal to 108 degree. And if it is a hexagon, the sum of the interior angle will be equal to 120 degree. And all others are more than 6 sides, more than sum of the interior angle will be more than 120 degree. So that shows that there are no other regular polygons that can be formed tessellation. There are no, from the angles we can see. If it is not 360, then it means that we will not be able. Since the interior angles of the polygons meeting at a vertex must add to 360 degree, hence, the interior angle must be an exact divisor of the 360. This will work only for triangles. If we divide 360 by 60, so it will give you 10 degree. And if 360 is divided by 90, so it will give you 4. Those two interior angles in degree can divide 360 degree, which is a necessity for tessellation. So no other is fulfilling this condition. So that is why only triangle and square can make a tessellation. Now question number 19, part number 4. Suggest a reason why beehives are made up of regular hexagonal cells and not the other two regular polygons that can form tessellation too, that is triangle and square. Why it is like this? Because hexagonal has the smallest perimeters. For a given area, as compared to squares and triangles. So if we compare the areas of hexagonal, it will be the smallest one. If we find the perimeter of the same area of triangle and square, that will be the larger one as compared to the hexagonal. So using less wax and less work will be allowed to the bees to make more honey. So this is the reason. With that, I have to stop it here because the topic is finished, and tomorrow we will start inshallah geometrical construction. So that is also very important topic. So stick with me. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.